does have a couple exterior blemishes that I wanted to highlight. When we got the van, it was obvious that someone had taken a right turn a little bit tight and had kind of clipped this right behind this rear door. And the fender itself was a little malformed. I was able to get most of it back in place, but if you look, there's a little bit of a gap there with the fender flare and kind of the rear corner, and there's that one blemish there. A couple of the hinges have had some of the bed liner chip away. What I had planned to do eventually was just to pull hinges out of another van and just have the factory paint on them and then repaint the bottom ones black. There's one little spot in the back, kind of see right in here where there's a little bit of a dent. That was before it was painted. And then the rear bumper has some kind of little scuffs and scratches just from use. One place where it's kind of chipped off. But that's about it for the outside.
Check out this vehicle and many more at CuratedOverland.com.